Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. What is the value of owning a mobile home park? We've talked before about some of the pros and cons, but we wanted to focus on one of the values that might be the most powerful. It's the steady income of a mobile home park. You're going to have steady demand, number one, because families want to get into these type of communities. You're going to have lower overhead costs because generally you're not maintaining all the homes, maybe even only half the homes or a third or a quarter of the homes. So essentially you're renting land. And thirdly, studies show over the years you're going to get competitive returns of 8 to 10%. So these are the values of owning a mobile home park. Look into it if you're an investor, if you have some experience, you have the capital to put into it, and you're willing to put the time and effort to get it ready to continue to rent, to improve it, to get the land looking right. We'd love to help you out. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks so much.